Hi, I'm Kyle Jorgensen. This is Danny Semick. We're with Revolution Machine Tool. Today we're just going to go over one of our presses. This is our H-Smart HSA 550 ton. It's a servo press, servo hydraulic press. It can be built in many different configurations, bed sizes, stroke, open heights, tonnages. I mean, this type of machine, and there's standard machines, but I mean, pretty much every machine we're building is custom specific to what the customer needs most of the time. I mean, we can put cushions, I mean, all kinds of stuff tailored to what you need. Danny's going to just go over some simple features of the machine today, kind of run the machine a little bit. I'm going to stand here and I'm actually going to film the screens so you can see what I see as I'm standing here. I think it just makes it a little easier for you to understand about our press. But I'm going to leave it up to Danny here. He's going to go over the press.
Perfect. Show you the home screen right here. Got my hydraulics on, stop, table lock, table release. I don't have my press all the way up, so I can't lock it right now, but we'll go into manual. We'll take it up, we'll lock it, and then we'll go into automatic. So it's very simple, user-friendly control. So I'm all the way up there. I can lock my ram out with, there's 2 pins up top, so that allows me to add tooling or change anything, or if I was doing any kind of maintenance, removing parts, I want to lock that out. I have my lubrication, and then I have all my limits, zeros top, it's 1,000 millimeter, about 40-inch stroke, actual position. Automatic modes, you can go in and build your receipts, or whatever you're needing your parts for. But we have a couple different programs that I built, so you can go in. We'll do test. Let's see, load, test, load it. Now that one's loaded. So my ram's going to go to 400, and that's where it'll start and return back to. It's going to slow down at 850 and press all the way to the lower limit of 1,000. The speed that it's pressing, as well as tonnage. So now I can go into automatic. We go to automatic mode. Unlock my table first in manual mode. I'm going to come down a little bit just so that I'm referenced. And I have it in a slow ram right now. But now I can go into my automatic. Automatic's ready. Start my machine. It goes in, now it's actually pressing at the tonnage. You can go to your charts to see, if you're having to hold tonnage for a certain length or time, as well as to see that it's actually pressing. Right now we don't have material in, so that's why you're not seeing tonnage go up. And it's back again, so I'm ready for part 2. See, it's very quick, repeatability is awesome. After this one repeats itself, we can do a different receipt, and I'll show you how easy it is to load that. So then, let's say we ran all our parts and we were changing parts and changing dies. Go in, you can build them. Like I said, you just go in, you put it, let's say 600. Enter, our down speed's gonna be at 900. Is when it starts pressure, and then lower limits 1,000. The fast speed, let's slow that down to 125. And our slow press, this is going to be a deep slow press. We'll go to 5.
We can change all this to inch too in the settings. We haven't, but we
Yep.
can. Depending on what the customer, they can toggle.
Save it. We're going to call this test 2. Or T2 will work. load it. Now it's there, loaded, automatic mode, test 2, it's ready. Like I said, we're doing a slow press right now. Yeah. Kind of run back through the control one more time and show you everything on that though once it's done. It repeats. So I'm going to go back to manual. We're going to take it all the way up, lock the table out. Table's locked. Your main menu shows it's locked, it's referenced, locked, light curtains. If you break them, it'll change that the curtain's not active. You have your reset, the backlight curtain, manual mode, automatic. We ran a few programs in that. Your settings are very simple. You got your daily count, total counts, hours, everything, alarms, but there's no alarms on the page, but reset if there is, light curtains get broken, you didn't reset it, your receipt page so that you can build your parts or your programs, and then all the schematics and PLC. There is also...
PLC and schematic really helps with automation.
Yep.
If you're going to add feeders, all kinds of stuff.
And there is automation capability right into the electrical components too, so it is something that's thought in advance there. So you got 2 digital input and outputs for the customer right now for PLC. As well as a user's manual and electrical schematics on the controller. That's pretty much it. Very easy to use.
We're proud of our presses, and we'd like to put one in your facility and be part of your success. And we appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Cool.